Welcome to Perth, Western Australia, a city where modern skyscrapers meet the timeless beauty of the Swan River and vast botanical gardens. Our journey begins in the city's green heart, Kings Park. Spanning over 400 hectares, it's one of the largest inner-city parks in the world. At its peak sits the State War Memorial, a place of quiet reflection, offering the most breathtaking views of the metropolis below. The park is a living museum, home to thousands of species of unique flora that bloom in a riot of color across the botanic gardens. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. For a different perspective, we take to the treetops on the Federation Walkway, a spectacular bridge that lets you walk among the giants. Look closely and you'll find the Gija Jumulu, a 750-year-old boab tree that traveled over 3,000 kilometers from the Kimberley to be here. As we descend from the heights of Mount Eliza, the city's historic past meets its energetic future at Elizabeth Quay. Guarding the inlet is the bell tower, housing ancient bells from London and the massive Anzac bell, a titan of sound. Nearby, the Spanda sculpture reaches 9 stories into the air, its white arches representing the ripples of consciousness and the river itself. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The centerpiece of this waterfront revival is the suspension bridge, a perfect loop that connects the city back to the Swan River. On the island, you'll find the Florence Hummerston House, a heritage treasure meticulously reconstructed brick by brick in this new setting. At the northern end, the BHP Water Park brings a splash of joy, its mosaic floor telling the Noongar dreaming story of the Milky Way. Art is everywhere here, from the first contact sculpture to markers honoring those who fought to preserve this beautiful riverfront. As the day fades, the Quay transforms into a vibrant hub of light and life, the perfect place to watch the sun dip below the horizon. It's more than just a destination. It's the heartbeat of modern Perth, where the urban landscape breathes with the rhythm of the water. The ferries at Barrack Square are ready to whisk you across the river, connecting the north and south shores in minutes. Every angle offers a new perspective on a city that is constantly evolving, while staying true to its natural roots. Whether you're exploring the ancient heights of Kings Park or the sleek curves of Elizabeth Quay, Perth invites you to slow down and wander. We've only just begun our walk through this incredible city. There's so much more to discover as we move deeper into the streets of Perth. In Part 2, we'll head into the historic heart of the CBD, exploring hidden laneways and the grand architecture of Perth's past. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in the next part.